Seminole Classic Casino.
Seminole Classic.
Yeah, right next door to the old Hard Rock, and it is in here.
You mean the new Hard Rock?
Oh, the new Hard Rock.
So this is the old one.
Well, I think I turned in the wrong area.
Is it on
It's
our
over
left?
there, yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna make a left.
So here's the Classic.
Yeah, there's the Classic.
Ah.
Yep.
So they got this small one and they turned it into the big Hard Rock. Wow, they made a lot of money.
We should just park right here. Here it is, Seminole Classic. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna put away the camera.
I know where the guy's going.
Probably going to the left. Oh, we're gonna go over here. Smoke free over here, huh?
Yeah, where?
I am not sure. It says smoke free. So this has two sides, smoking and smoke free.
Yeah.
All right. We are in the smoking side right now. We should walk over to the non-smoking after?
Yes, please.
Let's walk over to the perimeter here. So this is the old Seminole Casino. This is...
They only have a very small section for the smoke-free mode.
Yeah, they do, huh?
Yeah.
You want to walk in it real quick?
1/4 of it is smoke-free.
Yeah, let's go to the smoke-free section real quick. So this is the smoke-free section.
Oh, and they have food here too.
Ah.
Coffee and pastry bars.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, look at this. It's your game. I like how they have two sides, smoking and smoke-free. They got a lot of fire links.
Oh, here's the fire link.
Yep.
And they've got the old machines over there.
Yeah.
We're walking towards it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Royal Reels. Old games.
Here?
Yep. Ah, they got coffee and pastries.
But there's no more pastry. It's late.
It's too late for the pastries.
Panda! They got my panda! That is late.
All right, let's go walk around out here. Let's go to the left. So I guess it's all slots. I wonder if they have any table games here. I just see all slot machines over here.
I heard they have table games.
Over here?
Yeah. Look, it's deep. There's more.
Oh, there's more. Cool.
So this is right next door to the big casino.
Yeah.
Loud
You want to sit with
music.
Santa?
So, what I want for Christmas is a handbag.
All I want for Christmas is a handbag.
They have a live stage.
Live stage music. Craps and roulette.
Ah.
Let's go see. I guess it is pretty deep in here, huh?
Yeah.
It says craps and roulette is over here.
There is more. And their
Uh-huh.
tables are over here too.
Oh, wow. Well, we're gonna have to walk all the way on the other side after.
What I haven't seen are the crabs.
Baked wings and bangin' burgers.
We can wing.
Wow. It goes all the way back there too.
Deep. I haven't seen any of the, what do you call that?
Oh, bubble crabs.
Haven't seen bubble crabs.
Yeah.
Blackjack.
Oh, baccarat. Where's the crabs? Over there, there's the crabs. You want to go look? We're gonna go down here and get the area first.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go walk. I'm gonna go out and get the area first. Wow, this place is packed.
You know it.
Huh?
You know it.
You know what? Oh. She went over there. You have your card still? Here you go. You should turn that off. I'll be back. Alright, let's go walk around here. Oh man.
Way back.
Walking around the perimeter. This place is big. Man, they got a whole wall of dragonites here. That's amazing. Oh, look at this. Squid Games, huh? Well. Yeah. Wow, this place is pretty cool. I like it. Bunch of old games over here. Let's go see if she's winning on the Oh, there she goes. She's gonna get it. It's gonna get it. Oh.
I didn't. I got the other one.
You did? Well, they have a lot of these over there at the end too.
Where?
Oh, they're at the end. Come, I'll show you. Oh, I thought I saw it. Multi-red fire links. Where'd she go? Oh, just look at her. I thought she was following me. Huh? Huff and puff. Nah, I guess she's stuck over here. No, they don't. They have different version. Wow, look at that.
It's all gone.
Wow.
150. $225.
Are you gonna try? Okay.
I'm chasing.
What are you chasing?
50 cent and 75-cent bets.
Okay. Boom! Boom!
That was it. It's gone.
Oh.
Yeah. That's fun.
Boom!
Whenever it does that, it doesn't do anything.
Oh, yeah.
2 more. Ooh.
One more.
Last one.
Here it comes. Hey, 375. Boom, 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 boom. Ta-da! Well.
That's it.
Ooh, look at that one.
No. Collect.
All right. Lots of ultimate firelings here. She's still checking. They have a whole wall of dragon links over there.
Do you want me to play Dragon League instead?
No, I'm not sure. She's checking. She's checking.
This is nice.
Ooh, try that.
$6 bet.
Oh, never mind.
Let's take my. I don't have that much.
Okay.
Yeah. To play it.
All right. Want to walk over to the craps?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Turning off. Go look at the craps table. This one right here because you saw the mini. Right?
I'm gonna play it until 75.
Sure. Doesn't matter. Play. Boom. Free game. Free game. Free game. Free.
How do we make it louder?
Right there on the bottom. Ooh, ooh, there you go.
Got something.
How about you get the right and then the mini?
Let's do it.
Yes. Boom. Boom. Yes, here it comes. Yeah. Free game. Boom. Here it is.
It does that. It doesn't count.
Oh. Well, there you go. Boom. Hey. But it didn't come this time. There you go.
$85. I think I'm good with that.
All right. Cool. Nice to meet you. Ooh. Ah, the game. What's that room right there?
That's not smoking.
This is not the non-smoking. Really?
Oh, I don't know actually. Maybe high limit.
It's the high limit room. You wanna walk through there real quick for the video? Nutcracker. I just do a quick glance in here. This is the high limit room. You got your ultimate fire link. Chief Platinum Buffalo. Oh, walk this way. Oh, you can. Yeah, we can walk through this way because we didn't walk through this way earlier.
Yes.
Like all the way out. Cool. Wow, these things are gargantuan. Everybody's liking the Planet Moolah.
Planet Moolah. You like Planet Moolah too, don't you?
Yeah, it's fun. Should try playing it later or something. I don't know. I haven't played a lot of slot machines at all this trip. I know, you have. She got stuck over there. Okay, she wants to play.
It's at a $10 this with cheers.
I'll stand right here. Okay,
So check this out.
I'm checking.
It's
Holy
a $10
shit.
bet. It's at a $10 bet though. And this is a
Ooh,
at a
that's
max
nice.
10. Yeah.
Oh, it's $10 too.
Yeah, $10 too. I don't have two bets.
Oh, you want to try too?
No.
That's crazy.
I would have been like, okay, let's do a backup spin.
Oh my gosh.
Let's try it. I got $20. Here's a one roll. Backup spin.
Oh, she did it.
Oh, I should not have.
Congratulations.
Sorry for your loss. It's not as loud. That's it. I don't want to do it anymore.
Okay. Din 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 din. All right. Huh?
Hope she's watching this.
Oh. Well, back there's a whole wall. Yeah. All right. We're gonna walk on this side and out because we walked through this side earlier. So
We walked through the middle, so now we're
yeah,
going to
walk over here. Yep. Why is that bomb there?
Because it's supposed to like.
Is he enticing us that something's gonna happen?
You want?
No.
Got $24.
No, I'm good. Because if we win something, we're gonna keep playing. That's how it always is.
Yeah, I want to win on a Friday.
Well. That was Seminole. Shona bish. Shona bish. Oh, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, or something like that.
Was the Seminole Classic?
Classic. It's classic. Yeah.
Yeah, I walked. We were only there for like what? A good 15 minutes? And my hair smells like
Teen spirit.
teen spirit. Smells like cigarette.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
bad.
my hair is.
Oof. All right, time to head back to that guitar over there. That's where we're staying. Guitar. I like the graphics. That's amazing how they did that.
The light that goes all the way to the top.
Yeah, it's a lot of power.
Yeah.
Good game.